Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I want to show a prize that I won from the event I did recently for September. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So the September event, I believe I've mentioned it a couple times in some previous videos. It was an event that was, I keep forgetting what the wording is. I want to say sponsored or held or ran by, maybe, by Miss Wendy from Diamonds and Stuff. And the event was, I believe it was called Change of the Seasons. And it was the painting I showed, I believe, video before of the cherry blossom trees, and there was a weekly giveaway of everyone who was participating in the event, and fortunately I got lucky and I actually won a prize. So she had shown us some wonderful canvases that we could have chosen for a prize, and some other items as well, accessories that we could choose as well. So I had already sent to her all my information, and I just received the package of the prize, which I was real excited about. So my post office has such a habit, I think I've told you all before, sorry, that they love just shoving whatever package I receive into a little, I have small mailboxes where I live, so they just kind of shoved it in there. So the box looks a little beaten up. I did cut it open, and I'm not going to turn it because my address is on the other side. But yeah, this poor package is just really, yeah, they I have no idea how they got it to fit, but they folded it and really shoved it in there. So yeah, I don't believe any damage happened to the items, but yeah, it was just real bad. I haven't taken it out. I just opened it, just peeked in real quick, just in case there was anything with sensitive information. There wasn't. So I want to take out what's in it. I haven't seen it. So I know that there were the items I had, picked for the event. Ooh, I love how it's all wrapped up. That's why I knew, nothing happened to the wonderful items. So I'm going to move this over. Oh, sorry. Kind of dropped that. I really love how it's packaged. It's all nice and cushioned. And open it up real quick. So I know this is an item I won, but I kind of like to call it friend mail because I have never received friend mail. Ooh, apologies, I kind of tore that. I kind of didn't want to tear it, but that's all right. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's a big bag. Oh, I love these bags. Oh, it is real sturdy. I like it. So, but yeah, I like calling it friend mail, so it'd be considered my first little friend mail. So let me see what's in this little packet. And oh, I love that there's candy. I love candy. I've said it before and I'll keep saying it. And I love Tootsie Roll Pops, so woo, thank you for that. Oh, there's a lot of candy and I love it. I love dots, but my teeth, not so much. I really like them. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, it's a kitty cat and a witch hat. Oh, that's cute. And I believe it's an adhesive in the back. I think I might be able to stick this on my desk, especially since Halloween. Well, we're in October, so it'd be perfect for October. So let me put... I love all the candy, honestly, I do. Let me put this aside. I love Tootsie Rolls. No complaining. I love that. And leaves are all wrapped up in here. And let me see. I'm not too sure what this is. Oh, it's tea. Oh my goodness, it's hibiscus. Okay, I love hibiscus tea. I really do. One of my favorite teas is hibiscus with raspberry. So good. Oh my goodness, I think I'll make a cup of this later. Ooh, I really love hibiscus. Love that. And, oh, so cute. She sent me a little card. And let me see. I just want to check off screen. Oh, I love the little dragon with the scales. That is so cute. And her channel, she's all about dragons, y'all. So I love whenever she starts talking about her dragons or any canvases or anything about dragons. That's why I'm a big fan of the channel. I really love that. It's so cute. And let me just check real quick. Oh, the back as well. This is so pretty. I love that. I just want to see. I love it. She's just congratulating me, thanking me for joining the event, and congratulating me for winning, and hoping I enjoy everything I've won. I love that she hand wrote it and typed it. I'm a big fan of that. This is so, so cute. I love this little card. I save anything that's been given to me. I do put it aside, so I'm going to save this little card. It's so cute. I love that. And these are the items I had chosen if I was fortunate enough to win, which luckily I was. So let me just open. Let me get some scissors, because I'm kind of worried that if I pull it too hard enough, I'm kind of going to throw the item, because I've done that before. So let me, not this one specifically, just, you know, whenever you're trying to open something, it's a little tough, it sometimes gets away from you. So one of the items I fell in love that she showed, that was an option for us to pick, was this cute little jar. And I actually have a knife. I kind of knew what I wanted to do it. Sorry, oh goodness, I'm just so excited that I got the little tin jar. And let me cut this again, because I think it's really, really taped, and I love that. So, oh, something's in it. And yeah, it's this wonderful little jar. When she was showing everyone that signed up for the event, she was showing on her channel any items that you can pick to win. Oh, let me move this aside. And I felt in love when I saw these little jars. It's a little tin jar, and I love all the roses and everything in it. One of the other items you can pick was a cover minder, which I believe that's what this is. But it's so cute. And I actually want to use this for, because as you all know, I am a crocheter. So I actually want to use this to hold my stitch markers whenever I need to pull one out while I'm working on it. So that's why I love this little tin, and it's just so, so cute. I was thinking of using it for trash drills, but I actually have another container on the side when I'm working here on my desk. Or if I could just, I'll probably just have it on my desk. This is so pretty. Oh, so cute. I love this. Thank you so much, Miss Wendy. I really, really love this. Oh, and I was wondering if I could do that. If I lined it up, I can actually get some of the flowers to kind of work with each other. Oh, and I love that. I think they're roses, but I think everything's a rose. So, as I said, the other option was a cover minder. And the cover minder I chose was this one. It's so cute. Sorry. In person, it's so, so cute. It's a little bouquet of balloons that are shaped like hearts. And it has a little magnet, as you can see. And I love it. I love that it's real small. Because sometimes even when I do my 20 by 20s, I want to kind of hold the plastic, because I don't really like putting release paper on my smaller paintings. So I love that, you know, got a little cover minder for my little paintings. Oh my goodness, so, so cute. I wonder if I can, oh, there we go, perfect. Sorry, that is so cute. And I love these drawstring bags, so I'm a big fan of that. I'll make sure to put all the candy aside. I couldn't tell you. Oh, sorry. I love all the candy. I think I'm gonna eat some of them after I have my lunch. Yeah, after I have my lunch. It's kind of early in the day, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm gonna put this here on the side. I'm fixing it on my desk because I kind of want to have it on my desk. It's so, so pretty. And thank you so much for this, Miss Wendy. I love all of the goodies you gave me. As I said, I love candy. And the wonderful prizes you allowed all of us to choose if we were fortunate enough to win. I'm so glad I was lucky enough for it. And so for my other prize, for the canvases, for some of my canvases, I won kind of later in the event. So some of the canvases I have chosen, you know, they were chosen before, so I had no issues with that. So she was kind enough to offer me a gift card for Amazon, and I was able to pick a canvas I had been wanting forever for, and luckily it was back in stock. And so I used her wonderful, wonderful gift, and I was able to get this. Yes, I know I have a really large manekineko already, but this is the one I fell in love when I first saw it. It's a smaller version of it. It's just blue. It's blue. And it's supposed to be in the nighttime with the moon and all that. And it's called I always mispronounce it, sorry. Manekineko by Jeremiah Kettner. And it is a round shape. And it's just a 13 by 16 inch or a 32.8 by 40.9 centimeters. It's a small painting. I've seen what it looks like completed, but it's so, so cute. And I just love this painting. So when I had the opportunity to purchase it, and like I said, stars aligned. And I was able to pick it up because luckily it was back in stock. And I did order it through Amazon. That's this anytime you order, well, I've seen every time I've ordered through Amazon any kind of diamond art clip paintings, it always has this little label kind of, they use it to scan, I believe, to show all of their inventory. Sorry. So that's why that's how you know it's from Amazon. Oh my goodness, this is so, so cute. Oh, I am so happy I got this canvas. And this is the canvas I'm going to unbox for this week. As I said, I've been showing all of my diamond art clip paintings that are my favorites. This one, luckily, I was fortunate enough to get it. So this is on my list of favorites. So I'm so, so excited. As I said, I'll unbox it. I'm going to try really hard not to kit it up because I know I have to finish, well, first of all, the larger version of this. And some other paintings I have. Unless I finish some of the smaller ones. Wait. I'm already thinking. Sorry about that. So yeah, I just really wanted to show this because I was just so, as I said, I'm just so happy. I was really fortunate enough to win for this wonderful event. And I just loved how, well, pretty much everything how this event was run. She was kind enough to do weekly, I think twice a week, I'm sorry, it's been a while. During the week she would run, and it was spin the wheel, so it was just really random and up to fate whether, you know, your name would get picked. And I was fortunate enough before the end of the event that my name got chosen. So, and I really did love the event. I even though I was a little frustrated with the confetti of the painting I chose, I do love how it came out. And it gave me an inspiration, and it kind of pushed me forward on completing the painting. So I do appreciate that. So again, thank you so much, Miss Wendy, for running this event. And I am so excited for your next event. And I will sign up for this event next year because I really did have fun working on that painting. So thank you so much for these prizes. And as I said, I'll do unkidding. I do unboxing of this painting this week, so y'all can see why I love this little kitty cat. And again, her channel is called Diamonds and Stuff. So if you haven't had an opportunity, check it out. It is a really, really entertaining channel, and all of her videos are I really love watching her videos. So you'll enjoy it as well. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put my channel out there, and really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful diamond paintings and event items we love to do or receive. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.